Good afternoon and welcome to the vlabsummit 2024. As we gather here today, it's with great pleasure that I extend a warm welcome to all esteemed guests, speakers, panelists, and participants. Your presence at this event is truly appreciated, especially in that heat. AUC is dedicated to offering a comprehensive education that extends beyond the limit of traditional classrooms. By emphasizing hands-on learning and real-life experience, AUC ensures that enriching of students' learning experiences and prepare them for their challenges for the real world. In today's dynamic and competitive environment, the entrepreneurial mindset holds a significant value, serving as a catalyst for personal growth, resilience, and innovation. Entrepreneurship education has the remarkable potential to bring about positive change in the lives of individuals, communities, and economies. The AUC VLab plays an important role in implementing entrepreneurship education by supporting entrepreneurs in starting and scaling, besides providing a place to learn and interact with other entrepreneurs. It also grants access to networks, the region's top investors, and market insights, as well as tried and true growth hacking strategies, business building insights, support for getting ready for investments, and entrepreneurial leadership skills. Last but not least, the entrepreneurial mindset is a powerful driver for personal and professional success, and AUC's commitment to integrating this mindset into its liberal arts education underscores its dedication to preparing the students for the dynamic challenges of the continuing changing job market. Before I end, I would like to thank Dr. Ayman Ismail and the VLab team for organizing this summit and for leading AUC entrepreneurial effort. Thank you for being with us today and for your attention. Now, I will pass over to Dr. Sharif Kamel, the Dean of the School of Business.